start to say it, and I just wanna.
Hello dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. I am Santosh sir with another video of chemistry. In previous lecture, we have discussed about stock notation and how to balance or redox reaction by oxidation method. Here we will discuss some more example. Yesterday we discussed only one example and that was in acidic medium. So today we are going to discuss other example that is in basic medium. I have already told you that it will be mentioned reaction is in acidic or basic medium. So one more time we can summarize what are the steps to balance or redox reaction by oxidation method. What was first? We will write first step is we will write correct formula of reactant or product. Write correct formula of reactant and product. Find out oxidized and reduced atom. Find out oxidized and reduced atom. Make equal in change in oxidation number. Means by multiplying with suitable number, make equal increase in oxidation number and decrease in, means increase in oxidation number must be equal to decrease in oxidation number. For that we have to multiply. If reaction is in acidic medium, balance the charges. So in acidic medium we use hydrogen ion to balance the charge. Means H plus is added to balance the charge. For balancing the hydrogen ion we use H2. So let us see another example. Yes, so example is this. So I am taking example of your book. You can watch, you can study that equation. So equation is this, problem 8.9. Permanganate ion reacts with bromide ion in basic medium to give manganese dioxide and bromate ion. Write the balance ionic equation for the reaction. So for this first we have to write the reactant and product. So equation is this. What is that? MnO4 1 minus plus bromide ion and it gives manganese oxide MnO2 plus BrO3 single minus. Okay, so here we have to find the oxidation number. So oxidation number of this is, what is oxidation number of this is plus 7, and you know that oxidation number is fixed, so oxidation number of oxygen minus 2. Okay, next here oxidation number of this one is minus 1, and here oxidation state is plus 4, and there oxidation state is what is plus 5. You got it? Yes. So we will check where is oxidation and or reduction. So here just to see Mn plus 5, sorry, Mn plus 7 is changing to Mn plus 4. Means oxidation state is decreasing. Oxidation state is decreasing. So decrease in oxidation state is known as reduction. Decrease in oxidation state is known as reduction. Here oxidation state is this minus 1 and that is changing into plus. Okay, so this is oxidation. Okay, So oxidation and reduction clear. Next we will see here. Just you see how much is changing here. Just all of you see here. How much? From plus, just all of you see, plus 7 to plus 4. So how much changes is 3 changing. Oxidation state is changing 3. Yes or no? Yes. Means 3 is decreasing. 3 is decreasing. And here oxidation state is minus 1 and here plus 5. So how much changing? 6 is changing. Is it clear? Minus 1, 0, then 5. Means minus 1 to 5, that will be 6. So here change is, how much change is there? There 6. What we have seen here, but this was that we will multiply the portion wherever it is needed to make balance, make equal increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number. So here, just to see here, 3 is that 3 changing are there 6. So how we can make it 6? If we are multiplying this by which number? So we can multiply this by multiplying 2. If we are multiplying Mn plus 7 O4 minus plus Br minus 1 gives out Mn 2 4 plus, and we have multiplied this by, okay, and next they are O3 minus, and here oxidation state is plus. So let us calculate. So let us see here. Change in oxidation state is equal here plus 7 means overall 14, just you can see plus 14 is this and there plus 8 is there overall. So how much difference is there? Adding 6. And how much difference is there? So 6. Now increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number became equal. So we have completed the system. And after that, what we will see? We will balance the charges. We will balance the charges present on them. So what we will use? If reaction is in basic medium, then we will use OH minus to balance the charge. So if I calculate the charge, could you help me to calculate the charge? Yes. Here minus 1 and minus 1. So total is this side minus 2. Okay. And in other one, if I see, in other one, here, how much charges is there? How much? Minus 1. Minus 1 is there. Okay. So minus 1 is there. So we have to balance it. So students, we can see here total charge. 1 is minus. So total is 2 here and 1 there. So that will be 3. That will be 3. And that side only 1 charge is there. So there if we are adding 2 OH minus here. If we are adding 2 OH minus here, so charges will be balanced. So what we can write? Add 2 OH minus on the right side to balance charge. Yes. So we can write like this here: 2 MnO4 minus. Here oxidation state, if you want you can write, otherwise no need. Plus Br minus gives out 2 MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2 OH minus. Okay. So till here it is balanced. Now we have to balance the hydrogen. So for that side, how many hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogens are there. That side there are 2 hydrogen. To balance them, we will use S2. So 2 hydrogen is there. So we can add 1 H2O this side. In that 2 hydrogen is there. So we will add 1 H2O this side here. Add 1 H2O molecule, and 1 H2O molecule left side to balance hydrogen. So let us do that. 2 MnO4 minus plus Br plus H2O gives out 2 MnO2 plus Br3 minus plus 2 OH minus. So this is the balance equation. You can check. This is balance equation. Okay, students. So like this, if we will solve other examples, the things will be clear. You watch this, and with the help of this, you do other problem of this. So many examples are given here. You can go through that also. First balance and then you check. Is it correct? So what is the steps we followed? First we have written reactants and product. Correct formula, and after that we find the oxidation and reduction. And next we have done one thing. Increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number is not equal. So we have multiplied this portion means this one and that one by 2. So it has made the equation equal in increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number. Next, if you see here, to balance the ions, being a basic medium, we have added OH minus. So balancing the charges, we have added 2 OH minus that side, and that has made the balance of charges. And to balance the hydrogen what we have done here, we have added H2O to this side. So after adding H2O, we got this equation 2 MnO4 minus Br minus plus H2O gives out 2 MnO2 plus Br3 single minus plus 2H. I think this is balanced equation. So we can balance many equations. It depends on practice. If you could not understand it properly, so watch twice, thrice and take the help of your book. And after that, if confusion is there, you can get my number to your class teacher and you can contact me. Okay, I will clear whatever doubts are there. So we discussed how to balance or reduce the reaction by oxidation number method. Second method, I told you what is that? Do you remember? Yes. You watched the video, so you remember it. What was that? Half reaction method. Second was the half reaction method. Means second method is used to balance and that is half reaction method. So don't think that half reaction I have to balance. Means half of reaction we will balance, then we will add, then we will get balance equation. Half reaction method means you have seen half portion means first we will complete one part means oxidation portion will be balanced and then reduction portion will be balanced, and then both will be added, then we will get a balanced reaction. Half reaction means in that issue is seen that oxidation and reduction both taking place. So a portion in which either oxidation or reduction taking place known as half reaction. A portion of reaction in which either oxidation or reduction taking place, that is known as half reaction. So here what we will do, half of reaction will be balanced, then we will add both and we will get what? Balance equation. So some students may be confused that what is half, so why saying half. Don't be half. Okay, don't be half. You have to be full. Otherwise you can't concentrate your mind. To understand this, you watch the video till it. Then it will be clear. If after that some doubt is there, you can get my number to class teacher and you can inform me, sir, I couldn't understand that. So please once more explain. I will explain it. Okay, so without wasting time, let us move to our topic. So what is our topic? Balancing of redox reaction by half reaction method. By half reaction, what? By half reaction methods. Before this, which one we discussed? Oxidation number method. So let us see some example. Okay, and we will balance it. So before we balance it, we have to what? Discuss steps. What steps you are going to follow? Yes. So here in this, just listen. In this, we will get to half reaction, and each half reaction will be balanced, and then will be added, and we will get the balance equation. So for half reaction method, what are the steps that we have to follow? That are there. First is that find out half reaction method. In a given equation, find out half reaction method. Okay. Then balance other item. Balance other item. Then the oxidation and hydrogen. If other items are there, you can balance by multiplying. Next, for balancing oxygen and H2. For balancing oxygen and H2. If reaction is in acidic medium, for balancing, if reaction is in acidic medium, for balancing hydrogen, you add H plus. You add H plus. And at last, you add hydrogen to balance charge limit. And both half reactions will be done like this. And at last, we will add both half reaction and we will be getting fully balanced equation. Like that. What like that? In oxidation method, if reaction is in acidic medium, we use H plus. In this also, if reaction is in basic medium, we use OH minus to balance hydrogen. Okay, let us see. Let us take one example. So by that it will be clear. Okay, dear? Yes? Just thumb up. Yes, I am taking an example. So let us take example, guys. So what I have done? I have written one equation. That is given. We do know where is oxidation and reduction. To find out, we have to write it like this. Here, Mn24 is changing into Mn42. Clear? And other portion is I minus is changing to and. It is clear? So let me write oxidation state here. Mn plus 7 and here plus 4. Understood this? Yes. Here minus 1 and there is 0. Just all of us see this one. Here that side number I is 2. So here we will multiply. We will multiply. So what you can see here? Just to see plus decrease. That is what is reduction. Now I will not write so much. And this is oxidation. If one portion is reduction, other portion will be oxidation. Yes, because from minus 1 it is going to 0. Okay. So I will start balancing here. We got two half reaction. So I am taking this equation again here. I am taking that equation again. What is that? MnO 4 minus gives MnO2. Yes. So Mn is balanced, no problem. But Amn means oxygen is not balanced here. Mn is balanced, but Amn means oxygen is not balanced. So what I told, to balance oxygen we add H2. So two oxygens are more this side, they will add what? 2 what? H2. 2 H2. Okay? We can write add 2 H2 molecule. Understood this? Add in distillation. This is. Next, what is that? Otherwise, we can write here add 2 H2 molecule to balance oxygen. Like this kind. It is easy. Okay. So what we have done here? We have added water to H2O molecule. Okay. Now reaction is in acid medium. So we have to balance hydrogen. Add what? What you are going to add? Add for acid medium. What do you add? We add hydrogen H plus. Add H plus means how many hydrogen are there? 4. And this side no hydrogen. Add 4H plus to balance hydrogen. Okay, so you can add this side, that will be added here. MnO4 minus plus, just to see, plus 4H plus gives out what? MnO2 plus 2H2O. 2H2O here. Now we can balance electrons. We can balance the charges by using electrons. So you can see what? How many charges are on this side? -1 and +4. So total is 3. How many? 3. 3 positive charges there. So we will add 3 electrons. Add 3 electrons to balance charge. To balance charge. Are you getting me? Yes, I think you are getting me. So MnO4 minus plus 4H plus 3 electrons gives out MnO2 plus 2H2O. Got it? So we have balanced half portion. We have balanced only a reduction portion. So let us move to balance what? To balance other portion. So what is other portion? Let us write 2I minus gives I2. Yes or no? Yes. From there you can see. Yes, you have seen that. Okay. So here neither of the side has oxygen, so we have not to add H2O, H plus etc. Okay. So let us see here what to do in this case. That side minus 2 charge is there. That side minus 2 charge is there, and this side no charge is there. So we will add hydrogen. Sorry, we will add electron. How many electrons? 2. So this side minus 2 charge, that side also minus 2 charge. For better, we can do one thing here. What is that? We can write equation first to this and equation second to this. Yes? Can I write? Till here, any doubt? Anybody has doubt about this? Till here? Some students has doubt, so I will explain it again. Here 2Hi minus, 2I minus, and this side I2. Means that side minus 2 charge is there, and when it will be balanced, minus 2 charge is there. So this side also there will be minus 2 charge. So for balancing the charges, we have added what? 2 electrons. Okay. Let us see both half equation. Both half equation. Here just you can see. Please come to equation first. Equation first. Can you come to equation first? What I underline here? Electrons. So after this, we have to make the number of electrons equal. We have to make the number of electrons equal. So what is idea? If whatever idea you have, you can apply. But better is that by multiplying the number, by multiplying the equation, easily we can balance charge. Other way if you have, you can use divide also. But I think that will be difficult. So mostly we use multiplication method. Okay. So here 3 electrons are there, 2 electrons. So if I am multiplying this equation by 2 and that equation by 3, so this will be 6 and that also will be 6. Understand this? What I said? Yes. Here 3 electrons are there and there 2 electrons are there. How will you make equal? How will you make electrons equal in both half equation? So what it will be? What is the way? You can use division method also, but why we will put ourselves in problem? We will use multiplication method. We will not go in division method. Okay. So let us see here how multiplication number, how by multiplying we can balance it. Let us see. If I am balancing this, if I am multiplying this equation by 2, so it will be 6, and that by 3, so that also will be 6. Then we can add. So here we can write multiplying equation first with 2 and equation second by 3. Multiplying equation first with 2 and equation 2 with 3. Okay. So if we will multiply, what will be there? What we can do? Just I have to rub it. So please see. So if I am multiplying this equation by equation first by 2. So what will be 2 MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 6 electron gives out 2 MnO2 plus 2H2. It was 2H2. 2H2. So it will be 4H2. Understood this? That we are multiplying that by 3. Yes. So let us see. We are multiplying. So 6 minus gives out here 3I2 plus 6 electrons here. Then we will add it here. So what we have seen here, 6 electron is left side in first question and in second it is right side, so it will be cancelled. Okay, next what we can write, just to see what is remaining. So from this side 2 MnO4 minus plus 6I minus, this I am writing, plus 8H plus, then here 2 MnO2 plus 3I2 plus 4H2. So this is balance equation. After adding, we will get this, and this is the balance equation. Okay, children. So we have balanced an equation by half reaction method. You see here, we have balanced the half, then we added. Okay. So you watch this video twice, thrice, and you read your book also. It will help you to understand how to balance the half redox reaction by half. After that, if you could not understood, please contact me. I am here with you. Okay. So whatever I taught, if you understood what I taught, then you like and subscribe my channel. If you don't understand, please don't like and subscribe my channel. If you will like and subscribe, then I will understand you are understanding me whatever I am teaching. So for that, for support, please do it.